In today's P2P arbitrage, I'm going to show you how you can actually make money from this platform known as Bybit with another platform that I'm going to show you with eStress. Okay, so all what you need to do is to listen and watch everything, because I'm going to take it step by step and show you what to do. Remember, we are going to buy from Bybit and send it to another exchange to sell it on their P2P. So if you don't watch it step by step, you are going to skip some part that you might not make profit. So this what I'm going to show you today. So first of all, before I jump into this video, please, if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like and share the video. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I'm going to make this video a little bit fast, okay, so that you can go and execute this if you actually have money to try it out. Okay, and mind you, video like this don't always last, like update like this doesn't last for too long, because there are people who are exploring the market to check if there is opportunity for them to make money out of the market. So by doing this video, if you are lucky enough to see this video and the arbitrage is still there for you, you can still go and perform it and make money. Okay, so so after then, what you need to do is to click on where you see home page here. Once you click on home page, you click on more, and it will pop up this way. You navigate to your P2P, click on your P2P, then we are going to buy USDT from P2P and send it to another platform. So you come here, let's say we want to do this with, let's say we want to use 100 USDT to do this arbitrage. First of all, you said, let's say we are selling from 100,000 upward. So you click on confirm. You now come here, payment method. You can decide to tick apply for any payment, but I want to use bank transfer. After setting your strategy, maybe you type in 100,000 and you select bank transfer here on top here. You now come and look for merchants that you buy from. Let's buy from this guy that is selling from limit of 50,000 to 300 something K. So we click on buy. Actually, want to buy from this merchant. You click on with crypto, select 100 USDT. 100 USDT is going to give you 162,739 naira. Let's just make it okay. J is 160,739 naira. Okay, so after you must have gotten your USDT, your 100 USDT, you come here to this section where you are seeing withdraw. Click on assets, click on withdraw. Once you click on asset and click on withdraw, it's going to pop up an interface where you are going to put your address and everything that you need to send out the coin from this platform to another. Okay, let's insert the USDT. Okay, it's loading. Okay, fine. You can see the interface here. What you need to do is to make sure it's on USDT, because we are going to send USDT from this platform to another platform. Then what you need to do is, so when this interface pop up, what you need to see is address, network, amount, and some things there. Okay, so the platform we want to send our USDT to is Telegram. So you move on to your Telegram. And click on add crypto. Once you click on add crypto, you select this external wallet. Click on external wallet. You select this dollar you are seeing here. Select the dollar you are seeing is equivalent to USDT. You click on continue. Once you click on continue, you select ton. Don't select TRC20. Select ton. Once you select ton, you copy the address. I'm going to show you why you need to select ton, not TRC20. So move down here. You place the address here. Once you place the address here, you click on network. Click on network and navigate to ton. You can see they are going to charge you just a fee of 0.3 USDT, whereas if you use TRC20, they are going to charge you 1.6 USDT, which is too much and you will not make profit. Then that's why I want to select ton network. You click on ton network. You now put, if there is a memo, you use a memo. If there is not, you leave it optional. Then you now come to amount here. Click instead the 100 USDT, sorry, the 100 USD is going to, you are going to receive 99.7 USD. You can see it below here. This place you are seeing amount received, you are going to receive 99.7 USDT. So let's go to our Telegram. So on our Telegram here, so once you are on your P2P here on Telegram, you click on P2P marketplace, navigate to sell. Once you click on sell, wait for the interface to load up. We want to sell to this person. Let's go and do our calculation. Let's say we want to sell 100 USDT to this person. Remember the person rate. This is the rate of the person, 1643.64. 1643.64. Then times 100 USDT. You are going to receive 164,364 naira. Our initial capital was 162,740. After this transaction and everything, we were able to make 162,364 naira minus our initial capital, which was 162,000. Okay, which was 162,740. 740. You can see, then we have made a profit of 1,624 naira. So if you can do this, like if you can spot out this arbitrage, you always go to the market and explore to see opportunities like this. If you can do it like 5 times in a day, let's say 1,600 times, let's say you can do it like 10 times in a day, you will make a whopping sum of 16,000. Then 16,000 in a week. That means 7 days, you make approximately 112,000 naira. So this is how arbitrage work. Okay, so it is not a, it's not so simple. Don't let anyone lie to you. It's not so simple. It is you that will make it simple by always going to the market and explore, put in the hard work. Once you put in the hard work, you are going to receive it. The energy you put in, the energy you will receive. Okay, so that's it. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe, turn on the notification button for this kind of update. Thank you.